If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. When purchasing a fixed asset, attribute any amounts spent or borrowed to buy the fixed asset directly to the original cost subaccount. For example, if you took out a loan to buy a fixed asset, assign the value of the loan to the original cost subaccount for the fixed asset when entering the original amount of the loan into the associated long-term liability account register. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.